Guys, what's up? And today I'm gonna show you the Seoul promo code
2019.
Yeah, so let's go. It's 7 Y E A R S.
Press that button, and then you get your prize 14 keys.
101 keys. Can I take a screenshot?
See, you have 14.
Can I take a screenshot? No, maybe
14 keys now. So this is so cool.
What's the
And now he has 101 keys. And there's some weird awards, but anyway, he kind of care about keys. This is all he has. Ha 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 ha. This is only everything he has. And he's trying to glitch it. Actually, Lucy looks quite cool.
I don't want to unlock the monster part yet.
She looks quite cool. On this, you know. She looks cool on that. Lucy with the freestyler. Seriously, that's not enough.
I'm gonna do it on
like his coins is so little. You
I'm
can't
gonna
see
do it
his
on
coins.
Ninja right now.
Hey,
Look
hey.
at I have him.
His coins is so little. Ah, here you are. You can see
I
now.
hate you. Make fun of me?
Fine, I'm sorry.
Oh, 60 keys.
Or soul anyway. Is it called soul or slow or whatever? I'm not sure. But anyways, thanks for seeing this video.
No.
Our promo code, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.